Hello, welcome to the FEMAP 101 Exercise 2A video on creating views. This video assumes you have completed Exercise 1 with understanding of the model info tree and how to configure materials, properties, loads, constraints, and a simple mesh model for static analysis. This exercise is much simpler and will take you through opening a part, creating an orthographic view by modifying the toolbar, and saving the part. To begin, let's open the Exercise 2 modfm file. If this file does not open, you may open Exercise 1 as a modfm file. To begin, let's go over to the model info tree and expand on geometry. And notice we have an option here. FEMAP stores and turns on and off visibility of all geometric entities in this location. Let's deselect the check mark. And now notice the loads on the model are gone. Now let's reselect it. And notice the loads are back. Next, let's expand on the model tree. And notice that we have materials, properties, and loads already set up. Remember, this exercise uses a modfm file, which is a FEMAP generated file with properties already loaded. x_t file used in exercise 1 are raw pair solid files and don't have any material properties. First, let's cover some simple navigation. For free movement, click the left mouse button on the model and drag. And notice the model is now rotating in space. To pan the model, click Shift and the left mouse button. Now notice the model is panning around in space. To zoom on the model, scroll with your mouse or click Control and the left mouse button and drag up and down. And now the model is dragging up and down. For rotation, click Alt and the left mouse button and drag. And now notice the model is rotating in space. Now let us activate the View Orient toolbar to access orthographic views. On a blank space up top, right-click, and then select View Orient. Now select the first option, Top. Next, let's expand on the Views menu tree under Model Info, and notice we have a view named Untitled. Let's right-click on Views and select New. And let's name it Isometric. Now click OK. Now notice we have two tabs open now. Let's click on Untitled and back on Isometric. Now click on the Isometric under the Views tab. Now we have an isometric view. Let's close the Isometric tab. Now you may wonder, where did our isometric view go? It is not removed. Instead, let's go back to the Views menu under Model Info and click on Isometric there. Now it's back. Now let's click back on the Untitled. And now for the final part of this exercise, we're going to go to the Entity Display toolbar and deselect View Nodes toggle and deselect View Elements toggle. Now that the part matches the exercise PDF, we may save it. Go to File and click Save. This concludes Exercise 2A of FEMAP 101. Thank you for watching.